Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Qasim, your general science teacher. As we know that in the previous grade you have learnt about cellular organization of living things. We also know that living things may consist of one or many cells. The organism composed of single cell is called unicellular organism, while the organism which is composed of more than one cell are called multicellular organism. We also know that unicellular organism cannot be seen with naked eye. The instrument which is used to see unicellular organism is called microscope. Micro mean small while scope mean to see. Microscope is an instrument which help us to see those things that we cannot see our naked eyes. For example, bacteria, viruses or many other organisms, etc. Microscopes are broadly classified into mainly two types. First one is called simple microscope, while second one is called compound microscope. Simple microscope is one that uses single lens for magnification, while compound microscope uses several lenses for magnifications. A microscope in which light is used is known as light microscope. Several parts of light microscope and their function are discussed in the given diagram. This one is the diagram of simple light microscope. This one part is called eyepiece, which magnifies the image many times. This part is called nose piece. Nose piece is used to change the magnification of objective lenses. These are three objective lenses. Objective lenses have different magnifications. This part is called stage, on which slide is placed. These small are called stage clips, and this part is called coarse adjustment knob, which is used to move stage down or up for adjustment, while this small one is called fine adjustment knob. Fine adjustment knob is used to move the body for sharpening the image. This is called mirror, which reflect light on your slides. Student, your homework is draw a label diagram of light microscope on your rough copy and send me the photo of that page. Thank you.